Zilliqa holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Once again, I'm present with the new update of the Zilliqa coin. What's the current price of Zilliqa? What's the price change occur in this time in Zilliqa? What will be the next move of Zilliqa in this video? I will show you. Keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button, like this video, my friends. At this time, the latest price of the Zilliqa in the market is 0.110668 USD dollar. That is the latest price of Zilliqa in the market. My friends, first of all, I want to congratulate all Zilliqa holders that now in the last hour the Zilliqa start jumping, start pumping. The last 1 hour price index is going positive. And as you know already about the Zilliqa falls, that yesterday is the falling day of the Zilliqa. Completely the whole cryptocurrencies market is going down yesterday. The Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, all cryptocurrencies prices very badly falls down from the yesterday. But now at this time the price situation is going better, my friends. Let's see, my friends, the price chart. You can see here that is the last 3 days price chart of the Zilliqa coin. My friends, as I told you that yesterday on the 10th June, the price of Zilliqa is going down, but now at this time the situation is going positive. 11 June, in the start of 11 June, the price start pumping, and I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change over in the Zilliqa. My friends, my prediction about the Zilliqa is that if they start pumping after a falls, so that means that they will continue this pump for a long time. They will continue this pump for long time. What do you think about that? And how do you feel today about Zilliqa? I am feeling good, and my prediction is also 100% positive. I believe that they will continue this jump for a long time. What do you think? Tell me in the comment box. Also share your opinion and prediction in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.